In this video, we will discuss the 5 best ACSI vacuum pumps on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. VivoHome Vacuum Pump. The VivoHome Vacuum Pump is a comprehensive solution for HVAC and automotive AC maintenance. Its die-cast aluminum housing and rubber base suggest a robust build, promising durability for frequent use, including a manifold gauge set, complete with color-coded hoses, facilitates accurate pressure readings, a crucial aspect of system diagnosis. The ergonomic handle and integrated cooling fan enhance usability, while the oil sight glass and drain valve simplify maintenance. The provided leak detector and R14A adapters expand their compatibility, making them versatile for various refrigerant systems. The package, including the vacuum pump, oil, leak detector, and gauge set, equips users with all the necessary tools for efficient ACS system servicing. The clear visibility of refrigerant flow and precise pressure gauges contribute to a user-friendly experience. The color-coded hoses, with their leak-proof seals, reinforce the product's quality and reliability. Number 2. Orion AC Vacuum Pump. The Orion AC Vacuum Pump kit provides a comprehensive solution for automotive AC servicing, combining a robust and 3 HP vacuum pump with a versatile gauge set. The all-copper motor and 4 CFM flow rate promise efficient system evacuation, while the aluminum alloy casing and brass-fitted caps enhance durability and prevent leaks. The high-accuracy manifold gauge, coupled with color-coded, high-pressure hoses, allows for precise coolant monitoring. User-friendly features like the built-in cooling fan, oil sight glass, and bottom drain valve simplify operation and maintenance. The inclusion of RO134A taps, quick couplers, and a leak detector expands the kit's functionality, catering to a wide range of AC repair tasks. Its compatibility with various refrigerants, including RO134A, R12, R22, and R502, makes it suitable for both automotive and indoor HVAC systems. Number 3. BACOENG AC Vacuum Pump. The BACOENG AC Vacuum Pump Kit provides a comprehensive solution for HVAC and automotive AC makes, emphasizing durability and ease of use. The single-stage rotary vane vacuum pump, housed in an alloy aluminum casing, promises longevity, while the high-volume cooling fan ensures efficient operation. The manifold gauge set, designed for E12, R22, and RO134A refrigerants, allows for direct temperature and pressure readings, and the integrated hook provides hands-free convenience. The inclusion of 3 high-strength pressure hoses, each 5 feet long, facilitates flexible connections, and the color coding simplifies system diagnosis. The RO134A complete kit includes quick couplers, adapters, and a piercing tap, catering to a wide range of AC servicing needs. A large capacity tool bag is a practical addition, allowing for organized storage and transport of all components. The inclusion of vacuum oil and a user manual ensures users have everything needed for immediate use. Number 4. TGAZ Vacuum Pump. The TGAZ Vacuum Pump Kit delivers a comprehensive solution for HVAC and automotive ACA maintenance, combining a powerful 3 HP vacuum pump with a robust gauge set. The 4.5 CFM single-stage pump, featuring a copper motor and aluminum alloy casing, promises efficient operation and lasting durability. The manifold gauge, with its direct temperature and pressure readings, streamlines system diagnostics, and the convenient hook allows for hands-free use. The inclusion of 3 5-foot color-coded rubber hoses, designed for high pressure and burst resistance, ensures reliable connections. The kit's versatility is further enhanced by its compatibility with various refrigerants, including RO134A, R12, R22, and R14A, catering to a wide range of AC systems. The inclusion of R414A adapters, quick couplers, a leak detector, and a puncture-style tap makes it a complete solution. Number 5. VEVOR AC Vacuum Pump. The VEVOR AC Vacuum Pump Kit emphasizes performance and durability, featuring a single-stage pump designed for high vacuum stability and ADWL explosion-proof certification. The 3.5 CFM pump, with its 40-micron ultimate vacuum, promises efficient AC system maintenance. The manifold gauge set, with its rubber wrap design and multiple refrigerant scales, allows for accurate pressure readings and robust durability. The high-strength, color-coded rubber hoses, rated for 804,000 psi, ensure reliable connections in high-pressure systems. The T-shaped heat sink and oil sight glass enhance operational efficiency and maintenance ease, while the ergonomic handle improves portability. This kit caters to a wide range of refrigeration repair needs, supporting refrigerants like R134A, R1234E, R484EF, R410, and Ry32. The inclusion of various adapters, a bottle opener, and a carry bag provides a comprehensive toolkit. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.